Great Day Houston Plus, sponsored by Allison Audiology and Hearing Aid Center. Question, when's the last time you had your hearing checked? For a lot of us, we'll say back in grade school. Dr. Austin is with Allison Audiology. That is too long ago, and the problem is hearing issues can sneak up on us.
Yes, that's true. If it's been since grade school since you had your hearing checked, it's definitely time to have a hearing checkup. You know, every year we go to our family physician for a physical, we have our eyes checked, our teeth cleaned, but our ears are no different. So it's important to have those checked to see if there's any changes that are happening.
What are some of the signs that probably you should have been in a while ago?
You know, quite often our patients will tell us that family members are telling them that the television is too loud, or they're starting to realize that people are mumbling, and it's not necessarily just one person, but those around them are mumbling. And so they're realizing that there are changes, and it's time to have that looked at just to get a baseline and see, where their hearing levels are. Also, if there's been changes such as ringing in the ears or anything of that nature, it could be a sign that something's going on, so we want to take a look and see what's happening.
Sometimes people don't know. Other times they don't want to admit that they might have a hearing problem. You have a test that they can take to get an idea of what's going on.
We have an online survey so that patients can go on, they can answer a series of questions and see if a hearing checkup is recommended. So while it's not a complete diagnostic test, it is something that they can do in the comfort of their home to see, is a hearing checkup recommended, or is that something that may be needed for them?
If they need treatment, there's a wide range of options, things that are big that they can handle if they have dexterity issues like arthritis, for example, or they can actually wear devices that you don't even know somebody has a hearing aid.
You're exactly right. With the technology today, we have options that are small, invisible, they're disposable essentially, all the way to options that are very simple and easy to use that can be small or large so that patients with any dexterity concerns can manage. And they can be as savvy as having rechargeable batteries, Bluetooth options. So there's really a number of options for every patient today at different levels of technology. So there's an option for every patient that comes into our door that's having a hearing challenge.
And oftentimes they can get a same-day fitting, and insurance can cover some of this cost as well. At a time where a lot of people are in isolation, we get it because of COVID. And by the way, you're following all those CDC guidelines. We don't want people to be cut off from the rest of the world. You may be staying indoors, but you can at least have conversation with people. Dr. Austin, thank you very much.
Oh, you're so welcome. Thank you so much.
For more information or to book an appointment with Allison Audiology and Hearing Aid Center, log on to AllisonAudiology.com. You can also give them a call at their Houston office. That number is 713-469-3347, 713-469-3347, or their Lake Jackson office, 979-665-4824, 979-665-4824.